Good morning, all they asked me. Today class continue to the last class. Next one is Louis Pasteur. He was proposed pasteurization. Pasteurization means heat killing microorganisms. He had proposed that because of the pasteurization hypothesis, he says would silk industry in France. He was also produced or discovered vaccine for rabies and anthrax. He did extensive research work on bacteria and is rewarded father of the bacteriology. These are the discovered by the Louis Pasteur. He was proposed germ theory of discourse of diseases of microorganisms, says that diseases are caused. Let us move forward. The next one is the penicillin. The next one is penicillin. Penicillin is the first antibiotic. Penicillin. See guys, penicillin was not discovered. What will be happening? So Dr. Alexander Fleming was an army doctor in First World War. He observed that many injured soldiers died because bacterial infection of wounds. This is petri dish. This is penicillin. Diagram of penicillin. Penicillium is named as penicillin. Substances that kill bacteria were generally named as antibiotics. By Dr. Fleming, the discovery of the antibiotic penicillin was announced in 1929. In 1945, Alexander Fleming was awarded the Nobel Prize along with other scientists, Dr. Howard Florey and Dr. Ernest Bechamel. The discovery of penicillin paved the way to the discovery of many antibiotics like streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. Done. Let us move forward. The next one, inventor of aeromycin. This is the picture of Dr. Yellavada Subbarao. This is Dr. Yellavada Subbarao. He was born in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, state India. He discovered uromycin tetracycline, which cures number of bacterial diseases like typhoid, plague, tuberculosis. The next one is polio vaccine. Do you know? Dr. Jonas Salk discovered a vaccine for polio in 1952. He wanted to distribute it freely to everyone, so he never patented his polio vaccine. Dr. Albert Sabin discovered oral polio vaccine in 1957. Jonas Salk is polio vaccine. So imagine these guys, no polio vaccine, what will happen? The next one is the Edward Jenner. In 1976, discovered by the smallpox vaccine. Edward Jenner. Okay, now we will learn bacteria. Let's start. Study of bacteria known as bacteriology. Bacteria are the smallest of free-living microorganisms and single cell and mostly unicellular. There are so many bacteria based on different shapes. We take a 5 kingdom classification. Bacteria has placed under the Monera kingdom. Bacteria possesses various forms: Coccus, Bacillus, Vibrio and Spirillum. Coccus, first one is Coccus. Coccus is round-shaped bacteria. Bacillus, rod-shaped. Bacillus bacteria is rod-shaped. The next one, Vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. Spirillum, spherical, like spherical. See guys, this is Coccus bacteria. This is Bacillus bacteria. Picture of Bacillus bacteria. The next one is Bacillus is rod-shaped bacteria. This is 3 types. Monobacillus. Mono means single cell bacillus, monobacillus. The next one is diplobacillus. Diplo means means two cells bacteria. Diplobacillus. The next one is streptobacillus. Strepto means like a chain. Some bacterial cells are formed like a chain. This is streptobacillus. The next one is coccus. Coccus is round-shaped bacteria. These are 5 types. Diplococci. Diplo means means two cell bacteria. 2 cells bacteria. Diplococci. The next one is streptococci. Strepto means like a chain. 8 of 6 mini cells. The next one is tetracocci. Tetra means 4. In grouping 4 cells form tetracocci bacteria. Next one is Succini. Succini like a this one. The next one is Staphylococcus. The number of cells in present Staphylococcus. These are the bacteria shape.